Now shifting focus to Karnataka, where we are in fact, getting a bit of a breaking input as far as Ranveer Allahbadia is concerned, and what we are learning is that there is in fact a breaking input as far as Ranveer Allahbadia is concerned after the controversy regarding what he has in fact said, and what we are learning is that Ranveer Allahbadia moved Supreme Court against multiple FIRs against him. So this is the breaking input that we are getting at this point. Remember, after the controversial statement that he made in that show, India Has Got Latent, now we are hearing is that Ranveer Allahbadia has moved to Supreme Court against multiple FIRs. There has in fact been FIRs against him from multiple states, and that is why it seems he has in fact moved Supreme Court against the multiple FIRs against him. And what we are learning is that there are multiple FIRs being filed, and CJI Sanjiv Khanna is going to be taking up the issue. Let me now go across to my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar on this news. Ananya, give us more detail. Why exactly has Ranveer Allahbadia approached the Supreme Court to dismiss all these FIRs against him?
Well, definitely he has sought a clubbing of the FIRs that have been registered against him, and also sought no coercive action or interim detection from arrest in this particular case. Fearing any kind of an arrest in this particular case, Allahbadia has, taken up this legal recourse as far as, this controversy over India's Got Latent is concerned. But the Chief Justice of India has also said that we will hear the case. However, no urgent date has been given as of now. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out and what the Supreme Court would say when it would hear this particular matter.
So has there actually been a date that has been given? What exactly was the observation that was made by CJI on this, Ananya?
No, the court actually heard this mentioning that was done by Ranveer Allahbadia's lawyers, and later, in fact, stated that it will come up in the course of the day, and hence, in the next few days, we might see that the Supreme Court would hear this particular matter. However, no fixed date as of now has been given for Allahbadia to actually, be heard by the topmost court of the country.
Also, Ananya, take us through the details of how many FIRs actually have been registered against Ranveer Allahbadia at this point. One, we of course know about the Assam police. What are the other FIRs that has been registered against him?
Multiple FIRs have been registered against Ranveer Allahbadia as far as this controversy is concerned. First in Bombay, then in fact, in Assam as well. And there are also cases have been filed against Ranveer Allahbadia, and the FIRs have been registered. Hence, fearing any kind of action, not at least from the Bombay police, but from the other states as well, he has, made this move to actually come up to the Supreme Court and seek a no coercive action, while also seeking a clubbing of these FIRs registered against him.
All right. Many thanks, Ananya, for getting us all those details. So now Ranveer Allahbadia has in fact approached the Supreme Court against the multiple FIRs that has been registered against him.